Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Porsche Panamera door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including plastic trim removal tools, Torx screwdrivers, and a Phillips head. For safety, always disconnect the car's battery before starting any work. Next, locate and remove any visible screw covers and the screws beneath them, which are typically Torx T15 or T30 sizes, often found around the edges or handle. Now gently pry off any decorative trim pieces. Use a plastic trim tool to avoid scratching surfaces. Behind these trims, and sometimes under the door handle, you'll find additional hidden screws. Remove these carefully. As you expose components, disconnect any electrical connectors for window switches, lights, or other accessories by gently unplugging them. With all screws removed, begin to gently pull the bottom and sides of the door panel away from the door frame. This action will release the various retaining clips that hold it in place. Once these clips are free, carefully lift the entire door panel upwards to detach it from the window sill. Always be cautious of the door handle cable and any other electrical wires that may still be connected at this stage. Finally, disconnect the door handle cable and any last electrical connectors. Some models have a small white piece that needs to be pulled back to release the cable. Once fully detached, carefully store the door panel in a safe place to prevent any damage. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all clips and screws are properly secured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.